In this video, we'll provide detailed step-by-step solutions to restore the missing notes icon easily. Below are 6 ways to restore your missing notes icon. You can try the steps in order until you successfully recover the icon. Fix 1. Search in the app library. Since iOS 14, all apps are automatically displayed in the app library, even if they are not on the home screen. Step 1. Swipe left through your home screens until you reach the app library. Step 2. Use the search bar at the top and type Notes. Step 3. When the Notes app appears, long press it. Step 4. Tap Add to home screen to restore it. Fix 2. Use Spotlight to search. If you're not sure whether the app is still installed, Spotlight Search can help you locate it quickly. Step 1. Swipe down from the center of your home screen to open the Spotlight Search. Step 2. Type Notes in the search bar. Step 3. If the app appears, press and hold the icon. Step 4. Select Add to home screen or just tap to open it. Fix 3. Restart the iPhone. Minor system glitches might cause the Notes icon to be missing from the home screen on iPhone temporarily. Restarting your iPhone can help refresh the interface. Fix 4. Reset home screen layout. If your home screen layout has been customized heavily, the Notes icon might be hidden inside a folder or moved to another page. Resetting the layout will restore the default order. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Home Screen Layout, then confirm your action. Step 3. Your home screen will return to its original layout, and the Notes app icon will reappear. Fix 5. Reinstall Notes App from App Store. If the app was deleted entirely, you need to download it again from the App Store. Step 1. Open the App Store. Step 2. Tap the Search tab and enter Notes. Step 3. Find the official Apple Notes app. Look for the yellow and white notepad icon. Step 4. Tap the Download button cloud icon with arrow. Step 5. Once installed, the Notes icon will reappear on the home screen. Fix 6. Use iOS System Recovery. If you've tried all the methods above and the iPhone Notes still icon is missing, it may be caused by damaged system files or deeper issues. In this case, it is recommended to use a professional iPhone system repair tool, such as iOS System Recovery. This tool can fix various iOS problems without erasing data on your device. Step 1. After the download is complete, launch the program and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer and trust the connection. Next, click Start and follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode and click Confirm to proceed. The tool will begin downloading the necessary iOS firmware. Step 4. Once the download is finished, click Repair to start the repair process. The tool will fix your iPhone's system and resolve any related issues. When the process is complete, your iPhone will restart, and the Notes icon will reappear on your home screen.